Terra State Community College Manufacturing Engineering program involves basic courses from hand tools and manual machines all the way up to CNC machines and CAD/CAM courses. It is lecture and lab time, so we do classroom lecture and then you actually get hands-on experience on the machines, running parts and working with the tools you will see out in industry. We offer internships, apprenticeships, certificates, and associate's degrees. Terra offers a lot of job fairs where local companies come in to the campus. You can actually meet with them. Some do interviews right on the spot. You can give them resumes, and some even pay for your schooling while allowing you to work for the company and take classes here at Terra. And Terra tries to offer classes that fit your needs, whether it's morning classes, evening classes, afternoon classes. There's many fields that you can go into in the manufacturing industry. If you want to work with your hands, you can be a machinist. If you get an engineering degree, you can use CAD/CAM and design. Currently, the demand is great in our area for CNC machinists, engineers, engineering techs, CAD/CAM technicians. Once you finish the program and employers see that you went through Terra State, you are almost guaranteed a job in our local area.